Oh no, bro. I was trying to give myself some lotion, but it got all over the place, dude. What is that? You need this, bro. Here. Thank you, sir. What is this and why is there stuff on it? Look, you guys, I know sometimes you guys make those mistakes, right? Getting your iPhone dirty, your AirPods are dirty as hell. Dust gets collected inside your keyboard and you don't know how to get it out. Don't worry, I got the solution for you. I got the special package. What came inside is multifunctional screen and keyboard cleaning kit. And let me show you why this is the answer to all your problems. So let's see what's inside of this multifunctional screen and keyboard cleaning kit. My brother! You open the box. Like so. Oh, this is what connects to the, oh, something just fell. Oh, you get a microfiber cloth too. Clean your glasses, clean that stain that you left on this morning. Comes in a little baggie. This is all garbage, don't need that no more. Boom. Now look how clean and crisp that looks. Very high quality. You get adhesive right here. You take that off like so. Oh my God, very satisfying. There's like a plastic covering that's covering this up right now. Do you have to take it off or something?
No shit, boss. You sound so dumb right now.
Let's see. I think you do. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's what you used to like. Cleans your iPhone really, really, really well. And you got some bristles right there. You push the button. There's an orange button right here. You click it, push it in, brings it out. You push it, brings it right back out. Too easy. Very soft bristle brushes. What else is inside this little gadget? So you have a little pocket right here of things. Don't know what's inside of it. Let's see. Oh, okay. So in order to access that compartment, you have to bring this little glass thingy down like so. Comes right off. And off the bat, you do get this little keyboard remover. Everybody who uses a computer knows what this is. This is what you use to pluck out the keycaps off the keyboard. Too easy. Put that off to the side. Put this off to the side too. Now, first of all, this is I think what you use to clean your ears. I'm just playing. This is what you use to clean off your AirPods and stuff like that. But I just don't know where it goes to, like where it's, oh wait, actually, oh, okay. It comes with this other thing right here. First thing was like the little ear plucker thingy. Next, you have this little piece right here. Don't know what this is. This is to get into the deep crevices. You also have a little brush right there. Focus, there you go. Yeah, so you can get like those little wax stains off your AirPods and whatever electronics you guys might own. Put that off to the side. This little microfiber padding thingy right here, very precise padding. This is for cleaning like camera lenses and stuff like that. Like let's say something gets on your lens, right? You use this, get some moisture on the lens and you clean it out. Boom, boom, boom. Doesn't scratch at all. That's what it's for, you know. Next, you got a more precise pair of brushes, bristle brushes, connected all to the little handle thing. Too easy. And you get a little spray thingy. It's like a cleaning spray. Let's spray it once. That's to clean off the glass hardware, camera lenses, anything you have glass related. That's pretty much it of the hardware. I'm gonna put some B-roll clips right there. Bristle brushes and to clean your iPhone. Before we finish off the video, let's see how this bristle brush really works. I did drop a couple things of rice inside of my keyboard, so let's see what's up, you guys. Oh, it's rice, bro. Yeah, boss. What in the hell? The Mexican is that, boss? That's crazy, boss. How do you have rice inside your keyboard? No, boss. No. We gotta delete the channel now. Yeah, boss, that brush is not gonna save your keyboard. You might as well throw away the keyboard, man. What the hell? Yeah, that is so Mexican of you, boss. How do you have rice inside the keyboard? I know I should have said this in the beginning of the video, you guys. So, how much did I pay for the multi-functional screen and keyboard cleaning kit? $9.99 on Amazon. Everything I review in this channel, it's gonna be straight from Amazon. But I'm gonna tell you guys if I got it from a certain or specific website. In my opinion, do I think this is worth it? Hell yeah! Hey, what do you guys think?
100%. You need to throw away that keyboard too. I can't believe you had it filled with rice.
I love these fucking dudes, bro. But let me tell you one thing.
Oh my God, I thought the video was over.
How convenient would this be when you're on the go, in a vacation, you got your camera lens a little dirty and you don't wanna, that's one thing you do not wanna do. If you own a camera lens, you take this baby out right here and you just clean that little smudge right there.
Hey boss, I know I work for you, but you're a little bit too close to me today.
And boom, no scratches at all. Keeps your camera lenses safe all times, bro. Let me know if you guys have any specific products you guys want me to do on this channel. Leave it down in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video, me explaining the little multi-tool functioning kit. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all the support too. We hit 300. I'm gonna make that video of me hitting 300 subscribers soon. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you.